Sibuyile futhi noLofe bafethu umambolala inkosi
Isiqinsi kabla inkosi esiqinsi.
Songitshela likhuluma kuphi lo gama bafethu inkosi esiqinsi.
Ngikhala nguswele namhlanje kodwa nje ngisayi engasayi.
If I'm not mistaken incorrect among right.
Correct among right.
Undumang wrong. Incorrect among wrong.
La babe lokho bayidansa ama crate emgwaqeni. Abanye bakubheda nje kamama abantu bewasha imoto nje hambe sicela ukubese kurephele sabafanda kanjalo ugcina ihlangene namaqela but otherwise hey they were down bad, it was bad so isakabda badlulisele leyo ndawo leyo ngaze
so like kanjani kule level umthole kanjani uMT kuzube ne feature line
because hustler yeah 64 kodwa recorder I had 2 verses there the wing of completely the latest verse I was in the studio when he played like he was recording his verse I'm starting looking bomb you can look it's a shoot line order ngisukumi can't believe this is happening real time but yeah
ngizanda lezi lesilapha lethi khona I won't rest ngingakafiki ngemva kolento zakwe colonel
trust me kabami moya zikhale nene imoto kanobusho inja vethu dog need that from my mouth to indlebe kamdala uyazi yeah
so ungitshela from yini wenze waqala ukurappa and uqale kanjani ukurappa wena nahlanje
first step dawe juice bag
so wathi uyu umjida lo eLawrence egroup link up kanjani kuze nikhiphe ingoma uTyphoon because that song bethi one of the biggest songs I'm pretty sure ukuthi nakuwe le ngoma le ngisana kuyibuka uzibuza ukuthi okay ngifike kanjani la mfethu kuze ngizithole sengirappa shoulder no Java nabantu abakhulu njengoJava because Java are regarded as like ama greatest artist la eMzansi and now so ungena lapho kuleyo category kungekudala because people should look out up to you ukuthi okay because angibalela nje u2 years from now mfethu kungasabambiki
shout out sathi sunka bami next year yakhala ngidlali it's over
so ulingabe kanjani noSjava baba kunale ngoma yakho uMiss Call is it a personal song is it attached to you personal or bewucula from like a point of view ngiyayibona even le ngoma le upressure yibona le ngoma le mfethu le ngoma mfethu
applies to everybody dog